Welcome to the Engineering Open House. We're here in Engineering Building 2 with the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. Hi guys, can you talk a little bit about what you're doing?
Yeah, so we're welcoming all the people coming in for open house, directing them where they want to go and telling them about what's going on today in the electrical department. And yeah, pretty awesome.
Great, thank you. Here we are with our senior, Emily. Emily, what are you doing today?
I'm showing off the mechanical side of our makerspace. Come on in. So in here, if you can build it, you can do it in here. So we have different ways to cut, drill. We have a custom laser cutter here, as well as any sort of nut, bolt, or fastener your heart could ever desire.
Nice.
Yeah. If you need to do something that involves a weird angle, we have plenty of hand tools, as well as scrap wood, anything that you would need to make just about anything you can imagine.
Here we are at the Kolebaugh Makerspace. We have our own ambassador, Sam Messick. Sam, can you tell us a little bit more about what this makerspace is?
Certainly, Sarah. Inside of our makerspace, we have equipment ranging from test equipment to prototyping breadboards to circuit components, all the way up to manufacturing your own surface mount device circuits and making 3D print models to surround them. We also have soldering facilities in here, helping hands, and laptops for each student to use for their projects. We also have connecting wires, screwdrivers, and other mechanical components that students might need to manufacture these products as well, and safety equipment to make sure that everybody does so safely.
Great, thank you. Here we are in the Troxer Senior Design Center. Senior Design is a 2-semester-long group project that you'll be able to do your senior year in the ECE department. While you're here, you'll be paired up with some sponsors. This could be Duke Energy, or it can be with NC State. What I'm working on right now is a PCB for a renewable energy battery monitoring system. Right now, we have our final senior design day at the end of April, so students are really getting to work in the lab. Here in the lab, we have different soldering machines. You also have wires up here, anything that you can need. We have our own reflow oven. And then over here, you'll see some of the other projects that students are working on this semester. Hey Thomas, can you tell me a little bit about the Freedom Center?
So the Freedom Center, we work with the future of the power grid. We are basically working on enabling technologies that will allow us to have a decentralized power grid with communications integrated and solid state devices, and this is our vision for the future of power, essentially. It's a series of interconnected direct current microgrids that can talk with each other and dispatch power without a centralized control from like Duke Energy, power company, something like that.
Great, thank you. Here we are with Jake from Underwater Robotics. Jake, can you tell us a little bit more about what this is?
Yeah, so we are the Underwater Robotics Club. This is our underwater robot. So we make it for the RoboSub International Competition hosted out in San Diego. It does a variety of tasks based on computer vision, passive acoustic system, stuff like that. Interdisciplinary team of electrical, computer, mechanical engineers do things like fabricate the robot, design PCBs, and write mission software.
So, what is EcoPRT?
So EcoPRT was conceived of a few years ago with the problem of getting back and forth between main campus and Centennial campus. You take the bus, might take 30 minutes or more, and what we thought is, well, there's a better way. And that better way here is in the form of a smaller autonomous vehicle that sits just 2 people, so it can go from point A to point B without stopping. And it's immediately available, so you simply get in and you go. And we've had a variety of students, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and design, who built this vehicle from the ground up, did the programming for it, and now it can drive autonomously and detect obstacles.
Great. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the ECE info session and more coverage on some of the research projects we're doing here.